In this video, we're going to learn how to add a YouTube video background to your WordPress website. It's actually really simple. All you have to do is install a plugin like Video Background or mb.Ytplayer. They are incredibly easy to use and you can set them up in no time. Before we actually do it, here are a few things you should know. It's smart to use a YouTube video instead of hosting your own because you let YouTube deal with the hosting and bandwidth. You'll have fewer outages, faster loading, and generally a better user experience. It's also worth mentioning that you should really only be using your own videos, not just because of owning the rights, but also because if the video is monetized, your background could just be showing off advertisements rather than the video itself. By using your own video, you can get exactly what you're looking for and even disable ads altogether. With all of that covered, let's get your background set up. For this video, we'll be using mb.Ytplayer. Just install and activate it and check out the settings. After personalizing the plugin, simply copy and paste the YouTube URL into the settings and select the pages you want the video to appear on. Once you press the Save Changes button, your site will automatically begin pulling the YouTube video and inserting it where you wanted. The primary downside to the free version of this plugin is the watermark that it injects into the side of your site. If you upgrade to the Pro version, you get a lot more features, which includes the ability to remove the branding. And there you go. Now you know how to add a YouTube video background to your WordPress website. If this video helped you, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.